So I got a bag of chips right here. When I'm done, I want to seal this up. So I got myself this tool over here that says I could seal that bag up. Let's test it out. Got this from Temu for about $5. One has a little cutter, and you use this to open it up, and I think you just press onto it and it heats the bag. Ready. Finally ready. Let's get this bag of chip closed up. Got it? Wow. Look at that. It's sealed. That is a product that works from Temu. And if you seal it well enough, air does not come out. Wow.